friends! Today we're gonna draw and color a flower in the pot. This is the projector painting. High-tech learning. There are 3 lantern slides, 21 patterns, and 12 color pens inside. These are the color pens. This is the projector, and these are the 3 image slides. Let's keep the color aside for now. Take out the projector. This is the projector painting art textbook. This is the lantern slide. These are the images that we see when the light passes through them. Let's get started. Turn on the light. And we see the image of the flower in the pot on the sheet. Now let's outline this flower in the pot. Starting with the flower petals. Like this. And now the circle. Then the stem and the leaf. Now the other leaf. Then the pot. Yay! Now let's color the petals with the color red. Start from the edges and then fill the color in. Be careful. Make sure the color doesn't cross over the outline. That's a beautiful color here. The color red. It's very bright. Fill in the gap. Now take the color yellow and fill in the circle. And the leaf. Actually, let's paint the mud with the color black. Like this. Alright, let's color the pot with the black color too. Nice and simple strokes. For the stem, let's use the dark green color. Yay! The beautiful flower pot is ready! We did it! Hello friends! Now we're gonna draw and color Stegosaurus. Let's turn on the light. And now we see the image on the sheet. Let's draw the outline using a black sketch color. Starting from the head, the mouth, the eyes, we can see the image, so we just need to draw the outline. Nice and easy. The hind legs, the front legs. The front legs are shorter than the hind legs, if you notice. These are the spikes. Alright, now we have the sketch of the Stegosaurus. We're gonna color it now. So we're gonna take the color red and start coloring the spikes like this. Be very careful. Don't spill the color. The spikes on the back now. They're on till the tail. Now let's take the light green color and color the face. Nice and easy. It's always better to color towards the edge and then fill in the color like this. In small sections, long single strokes. To give nice texture. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Nice and slow, easy straight strokes. We'll start coloring the tail, section by section. Towards the end. Alright, fill in the gaps if any. Alright, so our beautiful looking Stegosaurus is ready! Yay!